Okay, this is group one. I'm Eric. This is Lori. This is Nora. We're going to talk about Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. Charlotte was a 19th century writer of books, 1847, from England. She's one of three famous sisters. Emily and Anne were also famous. Emily wrote Wuthering Heights. She was most famous a poet, but she also wrote Wuthering Heights, which is the great Gothic novel of the period. And but probably the most famous novel written by the three sisters is Jane Eyre. And it has a lot of biographical elements in it. Charlotte and Jane and Anne were all sent off with their other two sisters, actually 6 kids. Branwell, they had one brother, were sent off to this brutal school when they were kids. Their mom died when they were young of cancer, and they went off to this school, and it was really harsh conditions there, and 2 of the sisters died of tuberculosis while they were there. Then they came back, they created these imaginative worlds. Charlotte and her brother Branwell created this world Angria, and Emily and Anne created this world Gondal, and they wrote all these imaginative stories about them. And that was sort of the basis of their later literary careers. Charlotte was also a governess, and she fell in love with the husband, just as Jane Eyre is in the book, and she fell in love with the husband of the person she was the governess for, so that kind of sets as the basic setup for the novel of Jane Eyre also. Our theory is that the book is interesting because of its presentation of women breaking through the strictures of the time period, social and gender roles, class boundaries, and religious and sort of rules about sexuality, and that women sort of breaking through these. So Laura's going to talk a little bit about section 1, and Nora's going to talk a little bit about section 2.